Expanding on C&K's Switch IQ with a focus on innovation and quality, we are proud to offer our THB series of thumbsticks. These miniature thumbstick switches include a 2-axis multi-directional input and an integrated center select switch, offering premium performance in a small form factor. A high-quality dual-axis lever provides a high activation force and removes hysteresis, reducing the dead zone common in thumb switches of this type. This extended lever features a flatted surface with a mechanical stop to accept customized caps and actuators that do not interfere with the range of motion. The wide angular sweep of the levers work in conjunction with the reduced dead zone to give a greater range of motion and more accuracy in its usage. In addition to these features, a guaranteed minimum of 2 million cycles operating life and improved ergonomics make these the ideal switch for high-end applications where frequent use is expected and reliability is demanded. In applications from gaming controllers, commercial or hobby drones, flight controls, heavy equipment, navigational devices, wheelchair controls, medical, and consumer electronics, these will meet or exceed your design requirements. To learn more about C&K's Switch IQ and the high-quality THB thumbstick series, please visit us at ckswitches.com.